Coming up in today's entertainment report, Vybz Kartel ends up getting roasted with his own song. Popcaan leaves social media divided after a biker is told to get off his bike. Jamaica erupts in celebration after Brazil's dramatic win over Japan. And police launch an investigation into what appears to be a sophisticated theft at Scotiabank in Portmore. Stay tuned.
What you do? Just gonna ask you what you do.
Welcome back to Just Fox TV, people. You don't know the thing, go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do the right thing, people. Let's get into it. This story proves that sometimes your biggest hit can come back to haunt you. A hilarious video has been making the rounds online showing Vybz Kartel chatting with a worker who was doing repairs on his roof. During the conversation, Cartel casually asked the worker if he had a lighter. The worker jokingly fired back using Cartel's own lyrics. "No beg me no light if you have your own a lighter."
Oh, buckler! Yo. Yeah, I know. We're outside.
Believe, man.
Believe, you hear that?
Yeah, I got me for a lighter. I should have tell him, nobody beg me no lighter for you.
Oh, buckler! I'm out!
The line immediately caught Cartel off guard before he burst out into laughter. Cartel jokingly admitted that the worst thing when a man uses your own song against you, know. It's one of those situations where you simply have to laugh because your own music ended up being the perfect comeback. Moments later, another clip showed Cartel and Andrew Trabas singing together while enjoying themselves. Many fans joked that it looked like they were celebrating Brazil's victory, although neither of them actually confirmed that.
You're the type of woman, deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, a hand full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me love you.
Another video now making the rounds as social media divided after Popcaan appeared to call one of the bikers off a motorcycle. In the short clip, one rider climbed onto the bike before Popcaan could be heard telling him to come off. The rider immediately stepped away without creating any confrontation. Since then, viewers have been debating exactly what happened.
Just gonna ask you what you do. A tile. You know you? No boy, man. No boy. If you fuck up, just remember, hanging tree. And we're not sorry for you if you pick up on it. Don't fuck up.
Some believe Popcaan simply wanted to use the bike himself and there was nothing disrespectful about the situation. Others felt the rider shouldn't have placed himself in that position to begin with. Another popular opinion online is that if someone owns something, you should always respect it and wait until you are invited before using it. Some viewers even argue that people should work towards owning their own belongings because depending on someone else's property can sometimes lead to embarrassing situations like this. Of course, based on the short clip alone, it's difficult to know exactly what happened before or after the camera started rolling. But as always, social media wasted no time giving its opinions. If you needed proof that Jamaicans are passionate about football, this was it. After Brazil secured a dramatic 2-1 victory over Japan, celebrations quickly spilled onto the streets. Videos began circulating showing people blowing horns, others beating pots, while several communities erupted with loud celebrations as if Jamaica itself had just won an international tournament. Football has always had a special place in Jamaica, and Brazil remains one of the country's most supported international teams. Whenever Brazil wins a major match, it's almost guaranteed that somewhere across the island, you'll hear horns blowing and celebrations breaking out. People screaming in the streets, you know that go already, people. For many Jamaicans, supporting Brazil has become a tradition passed down through generations. Police are now investigating what appears to be a sophisticated theft at Scotiabank ABM servicing room in Brighton Parkway, Portmore. According to investigators, surveillance footage reportedly shows several men dressed in black arriving in a grey Nissan Latio with its license plate obscured. Police say the suspects allegedly used security access codes to open 4 ABM safes before removing cash. Investigators also reported that there were no signs of forced entry. Authorities say only the cassettes containing higher denomination Jamaican currency and US currency were emptied. The servicing room is reportedly accessible only to specialist staff responsible for servicing the machines, while regular bank employees do not have access. Police have not yet disclosed how much money was stolen, and investigations remain ongoing. Those are today's top stories, people. Which story surprised you the most? Was Cartel getting hit with his own lyrics the funniest moment? What do you think about Popcaan video? Think Popcaan was disrespectful for telling the biker to get off the bike, or people for have their own things? How you look at it, people? And what's your reaction to the sophisticated bank theft? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's report, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.